APIs and stuff. Okay, let's see. ViSP. Ugh. Okay. Ooh.
Please switch on both controllers to start the ViSP training simulation.
Both controllers are
Are you
on.
left or right-handed? Please touch the corresponding box with your controller.
That works.
For the best experience, please put each controller in the correct hand. Proceed by touching both boxes at the same time.
This is one of the only games where I've had controller assignment calibration.
Welcome to the ViSP training simulation. This is the core of your virtual spaceport. It can't be destroyed and is the starting point for your space expansion.
It's interesting that the
higher
core...
or lower points of your spaceport, you can move your station up and down. To move your station, hold down both triggers at the same time and move your controllers.
I did expect to use the grip
Next up
buttons, but I
is
guess
the
this works.
rotation of your space station. Rotate the station by holding the left trigger and moving your controller sideways. For a better control over the rotation, you can quickly stop the motion with your other controller. Stop the rotation by holding down the right trigger. Now for your most important task, the construction of your own spaceport. Touch a cube with your controller, press the trigger, and drag a line to build more cubes of the same type.
Okay. Oh! What? I did not expect it to break. Do I have a specific task? Grab one cube, hold down the trigger, drag to build. Oh, and I can do turns. It's... Oh, I'm supposed to do it in this specific place. Okay, sorry.
The form block is your main building material. It's used to form special modules, but can easily be destroyed. A high-energy object was detected in range of your spaceport.
Oh.
Monuments are mysterious extraterrestrial objects that store enormous amounts of energy.
I'm rotating the whole space this way?
To your spaceport with form blocks. You don't have enough resources to complete the building action. Look at your controller to check your remaining resources.
0. It's very clear which hand is which.
On unwanted or mistakenly placed blocks, you are able to undo the last building action. Undo your last building action by pressing the grip button on your controller. Only the one last building action can be undone. Carriers are friendly spaceships with the task to gather and transport resources.
So cute!
You can use those resources to build more blocks.
So, are carriers the only way to get more resources? No dock station.
A carrier requires a dock station to connect to your spaceport. You can create a dock station by recreating the previewed pattern out of form blocks.
This feels kind of Minecrafty. How? Oh, and yeah, I need to start... I can't start in front of the block, I need to start on the block. That will take some getting used to. I think that's an interesting mechanic. That was really interesting in Minecraft in the beginning anyway.
Now you have enough resources to connect to the monument.
Explore the different shapes you could make things of.
Connect all monuments to gather the energy needed to complete the level.
All monuments?
A hostile signal was detected. The breaker is a spaceship by the Destructors, a resident alien race. They are sent to destroy your spaceport. The monument connection was lost. While wall blocks are easily shattered by breakers, the sturdy wall blocks can be used to protect your structures. Touch a dark block of your core and expand it to build walls. Great! You successfully defended your spaceport against a breaker.
That was...
The threat is averted.
My CPU didn't cope with that.
The monument.
It's a good thing this floor grid is here. I was kind of surprised to have the base station in the middle of my play space because there has been such a long time since I played a pure room scale game. But I guess this is a room scale game because everything is anchored in the room. And I know I didn't have to dodge that, but this is natural. Yeah, it's a really good thing. The space is a grey void, and we have a grid on the floor. I've played a game where you could rotate whatever you were working on, and you had the skybox follow the rotation. That was nauseating and nightmare, pretty much.
More carriers with resource deliveries are approaching.
Oh, so the carriers all have
The new carriers require more dock stations in their range.
I'm trying to do this. I mean, so carriers seem to arrive at very specific vectors. So, which means you have to build docking. That docking station isn't. What? Will they adapt to the wrongly positioned? Or they'll just go. Oh, okay. So one docking station is only good for one carrier ever.
An error was detected in the dock station blueprint.
Yeah, because it's attached to the wall.
To redesign parts of your space station, you can manually destroy your blocks. Touch a block with both controllers to destroy it. Proceed by destroying the invalid dock station.
Oh, it's just instantly... Wow, okay. It definitely works, because I haven't done it by accident before this.
The wings of a dock station must not touch any other form block, otherwise the dock station won't work. A second monument was detected. Connect both monuments to start the transmission.
I'm using the grip button to rotate. I'm not sure which... I think it's because that's what happens in every other application. But that's what we have the SteamVR input stuff for. Can I build this out there? Yeah. Oh, now I'm a bit more... freeform. Never mind. Can't... Okay. I don't know anymore. I just spent all my resources and failed this mission. Oh, it's going for that one. Okay, and this one is... Oh, they do empty, so I guess they are not single use. I was thinking that you'd have to hurry to capture them, or you'd miss them. Connect both monuments to win the game. So I'm getting a lot of curious... Oh, now I have more blocks. Okay, there we go. And you have to keep it connected for... Was it 8 seconds? I'm kind of surprised. Or not surprised. I guess it's just unusual that I can't just place a block
completed the training
outright.
simulation. Hold down the application button on your controller to enter the menu.
Oh, so not a click, but hold it. Yeah, that works. Oh! Bye! Over there. Oh! Start demo level. We start. So, when I saw videos of this on Reddit, I was like, what is the gameplay? Is it just a station building game, which is just completely random? But now it makes much more sense to like... It's almost kind of an action builder, where you're battling against incoming enemies and incoming and capturing incoming carriers. Oh, thank you for not spinning the skybox. Oh, that scared me slightly. I think both of them raised. So this helps with player height, because you can just adjust to what you need. Hello. I'm building a flower for you. There we go. And I wonder if the designs are better or worse somehow. And we have one here. Oh. Oh, that's an enemy. Well, I guess that one missed the station. Oh, but we have one here. Oh, wow. This is a bit more stressful than I had anticipated. There we go. And we need... I wonder what the wall costs. Did I miss? I don't know. This is only slightly stressful. Oh. I like the positional audio that's happening all the time. You can kind of hear where things are happening. The lines from the enemies are very helpful in showing what will happen. What? Did I? Oh! Oh, well, there we go. Did I... I think I lost a piece of... Oh, I ruined it. Oh, is it dead forever then? Oh man. That wasn't my intention. Let's screw that and... build it. 30 seconds? Oh, it's ruining my stuff. I'm guessing these walls also have... Oh crap, I didn't win that, I don't think. This is intense and crazy. Did I run out of stuff? Never mind that one. I'm not sure how to do this. Like, how do you best protect your space station? I guess just contain your whole space arm in the wall stuff. Wall stuff is expensive though. Let's try to build a few of these close to the space station. Wonder if there will be... Oh, I assume there will be more types of blocks eventually, or constellations to make. There we go. And... Oh, I spun it! When I wasn't... Oh yeah, I should spin it more. When I wasn't keeping track of me spinning it, that was actually kind of freaky. Let's try to protect the space station best I can. Oh, one from below. This is quite the nice navigation system. It's like you can spin around. I'm not sure why. I guess one is breaking. Yeah, that makes sense. But I kind of just expected to swipe it and then press the same. The same one still breaks it. So I have like the same functionality. I would love to have an option to like have both hands act the same way, so I can like swipe with both of them to spin. That would be nice. This was way more engaging than I had ever expected. The red lines are certainly a help, but also stressful. But it would be super annoying to have your station blow up without knowing why. Not sure about the flying up into the sky thing. Oh, I guess it's still there. Back to station. I guess there's only the one level level for now. Full release coming summer. Let's see what back to station actually means. Oh, that is just back to the level. Okay. But is this one still... I don't think it's still getting attacked. You just get more resources. And I never ever checked my resources. I guess 100 is as many as you can carry. I'm really interested if they will like add more elements. Like this is just a carrier receiver. If we'll get at some point maybe turrets. You have to like limit it within the space of cubes though. I guess this constellation could be something maybe. And you have to, I guess, as long as it's not just a normal, like this couldn't be anything because this will happen all the time while building the arms. But like that will work. A4 could work. Oh. Oops. And yeah, there's probably a bunch of things you can still do. Thing is, you have, if I remove this one now, it becomes this one, and this one, this, when it has transformed, I don't think you can continue building on it. So one limitation in the kind of variety you can get is just how many, you can't use the same starting point for all the different things you could build on your station. Can I build a wall receptor? No. That is just for protection. That makes sense. That'd be kind of weird. Yeah, this is pretty nice. I like it. Yeah, that was quick. Let's jump to the next title, I guess. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep an eye out for this one. Guess it's just quit app.